Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on the Rednote app if you've blocked someone by mistake or just want to give them access again. This step-by-step guide will help. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the Rednote app and go to the Me or Profile section, which you can find at the bottom of the screen. Once you're there, tap on the three white lines located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Under the Settings menu, tap on Privacy Settings. Here, you'll find various options to control your privacy. Now, scroll down until you see Blocked Users and tap on it. This is where you'll see the list of people you've blocked on the app. To unblock someone, simply tap on their name and select Unblock. That's it. They'll now be able to interact with you again. At the moment, I don't have anyone blocked, so there's nothing to unblock. But if you do, it's a simple and quick process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.